How to fix the PS5 controller orange light issue. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Seeing an orange light on your PS5 controller, it means there is a connection issues. To fix this, first restart the PS5 console. Press the PS5 power button for 7 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Reboot the system, and reconnect the controller via USB or Bluetooth. Method 2. Reset the controller. Flip the controller over and locate the small reset button near the L2 trigger. Use a paper clip to press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds until the light flashes. Method 3. Update controller software. Connect the controller to your PS5 via USB. Go to Settings, then Accessories, then Controller, and DualSense wireless controller device software to check for updates. Method 4. Try a different USB cable. Swipe out the USB cable to rule out any faults with the original one. And now you need to power cycle PS5 and controller. Turn both devices off by holding their viewer button for 10 seconds. Restart and reconnect the controller. After that, if this step don't work, the issue might be hardware related. Reach out to Sony for repairs or a replacement. By following all the steps, you will easily get your controller working again. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.